你好，大家好，欢迎来到 to my new YouTube video. This is going to be a series, yeah. So it's going to be about Chinese New Year, like what is done in Chinese New Year. So sit back, help yourself with a cup of coffee or tea, and enjoy the video. So this is just going to be, the shopping for Chinese New Year stuffs. So let's get going. Alright, so the first stop was British India. We want to get some clothes for, Chinese New Year. On the day itself, you need to look good, Then there's a bit of, Chinese decorations for the New Year, showing the Chinese Zodiacs. There's the dragon, the tiger. But then we checked out a little bit of, some Chinese snacks. Chinese snacks are always important. They are always. So this is the ice cream bar. Is amazing. So see that arrangement? Yes, sir. What we came for, some clothes from Uniqlo and some short pants for Daring, And oh my god, this shop was amazing. Trust me, it's like everything there looks really, really nice. Like literally amazing. It's like the best. They have some hips going on, some abalone, some dried cucumbers. It's just amazing. Like I could stay there all day, just trying to study about the culture. Yeah, so something very fun happened actually after this. We went to the grocery shopping. We went for grocery shopping actually, and then see what happened there. The trolley was just so messed up. Just watch it. It's very, very funny. Guys, so perfect. Alright guys, so that's the manager that was speaking in China. This is the Bolo guys, so this is my other manager. Other manager. This is called David Show. David Chung guys. He's single and married to mingle. Oh! Let's work out. You've been to all this country. You've been to Maryland also.
On Maryland, my customer, his doctor stay in his doctor in America.
Oh.
So he went to see the doctor. He gave me this.
Oh, give me this.
I'm the friend of
Starbucks. Oh.
So most of them is a friend gift to me. About most of the country I've been.
You've been to?
Here, I think about 60% of the country city I've been.
Oh my god, that is crazy. How is Norway? You've been to Norway?
But Norway, there have been my church friend. Norway is here.
Oh, Norway.
Yeah. Of course, India never. Some my ex-colleague, is Indian. He went to India.
Oh, give it
so
to
he took a copy. All this America, New York City. This one is my church friend here.
That's right. Oh.
But all this I've been Thailand, Taipei, of course, Beijing,
London.
London, Liverpool, that one is not very good.